Okay, here we are on the WordPress admin panel, and for this demonstration video we are going to look at processing a referral payment using the referral system on the WordPress site. And that will happen when a referral link is used to purchase a product. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to go to the referral system's website, and you'll see we've already connected our wallet and are on a test blockchain network for the purposes of this demonstration. And what I'll do is I'll go to my referral accounts, and this should give us a list of all the referral accounts connected to the connected wallet or associated with the connected wallet. So we'll scroll down, and this is the account that we have set up for our WordPress site. So I'll select that. And you can see at the moment we have a balance of 43.32 USDT in that account. And if I go to the payment data, just select all, and I scroll down to the bottom, you'll see that we've got one payment that was made for today's date, which is the 21st of the 4th. Let's see if we can process a transaction when your second payment is made. So what I'm going to do now is I'll go to the demonstration site that we made for the purposes of this video. Okay, so this site has a number of products that we've made up. These are just fictitious music instruments, and we've added a price of $100 for each of the items, just for demonstration purposes. And what you will notice at the top here, I've already used our referral link, and I haven't used it for a specific product, but I have just used the general referral link. So any product that we purchase that is listed on the referral system for our profile will prompt a referral fee. So what I'll do is I'll go and say, let's choose this drum set, the nice red drum set over there for $100, and we can see it's in our cart there. So I am going to go to checkout. Okay, so here, this is a basic checkout page for a WooCommerce store. I haven't yet added a payment gateway because I am running this WordPress site on a local development server, and so it's a bit tricky setting up the payment gateway on the local network. But for the time being and demonstration purposes, we'll just use direct bank transfer and update the payment data manually. So I am going to go place order. Okay, so the order has been placed. Here it says, thank you, your order has been received. So that's sorted. What we'll do now is we'll go to our WordPress admin panel, and we'll scroll down here to WooCommerce and then orders, and select that. And here is the list of orders, and you'll see one was just made recently a minute ago, and that's the order that we just did. We'll open that. Okay, so here are the order details, and you'll see there where it says status. At the moment, it's on hold. What we're going to do is we're going to set it to completed. Now, if you had a payment gateway set up, what would happen is as the payment gateway notifies the system that payment has been received, you can set the referral system to process the payment on that notification. Or you can set it to process the payment when the order has been noted as completed. Either or, it depends on how you're running your system and how you would like to process the payment. But if it is done with the payment gateway, it will happen automatically without you needing to intervene. At the moment, what we'll do is we'll just say update, and then it should process the payment automatically. It will calculate the rates and all that. Okay, so here we can see order updated, and so the payment should have been made. What we will do is we'll go and check quickly. Let's go to the referral system website, and you can see immediately the balance over there has dropped by approximately $12. And that's consistent with what should be. Let me just go and update the payment data quickly. And if we scroll to the bottom, you'll see now we have two payments that were made on the 21st of the 4th. And this one again for $12. And that's because we had set the referral fee rate at 12% of the sale value of that product. So 12% of the $100 is 12, and it gets paid in the USDT equivalent, which is 12 USDT, and you can see that it's been paid. Now, to verify this externally, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this referral account address at the top here, and I'm going to copy it. And then what we'll do is we'll go to Google and we'll just search here for Polygon Explorer. That is a blockchain explorer for the Polygon blockchain. I'll open that. And because we're using the test blockchain network, I'm going to go over here to the Moi test network. And in the search bar, I'm going to paste the address of our referral account contract and search for that. And you'll see here, there it shows contract, and it gives a list of all the transactions associated with that smart contract. And you'll see here in the last minute, there was a transaction. Let's open that quickly. And yep, this is the transaction for our referral fee payment. Let me go through the receipt with you quickly. At the top here, you can see it just says that it is a test transaction. That's because we're on the test network, but essentially the receipt structure is the same. Then the next item here is transaction hash. That is a unique identifier for each of the transactions. The status, this one was success. Then the block, that is a block number that the transaction was mined in. The timestamp, and then the from, this is the user address for the referral system on the WordPress site. So that user address is the one that issued the instruction, then interacted with. This is the referral system account, and then over here it shows us the ERC20 tokens transferred. And you can see here we've got from, so this is our referral account address, and then it was transferred to the referrer's address, and that was for an amount of 12 of the ERC20 test USDT token. Then the next one you can see here is from the referral account, and that was to the referral system for a value of 0.12. And that is the percentage of the referral fee that is transferred to the referral system when a payment like this is made. The next item there is value, and there weren't any of the native Polygon ecosystem tokens transferred, and that's why it says 0 there. And then the transaction fee, that is a gas that was paid for the transaction, and you can see it's quite low. If that is converted into US dollars in today's prices, it works out very, very low. At least at the time of recording, it's low. And then this at the bottom here is just the gas price. Okay, so that is an overview of the receipt and how the payments are automatically made using the referral system and the associated WordPress plugin. It operates in a very similar manner for Shopify, and we are also able to do custom integrations for different applications and so on.